Good morning. This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. Now, if you're interested in viewing more live trades along with learning some of the basics that comes along with trading in the stock market, be sure to go ahead and click the subscribe button below for more content. So I am currently looking at Apple. We had a gap down this morning, so I'm going to wait for the ideal setup and look to take a position. I am now in the trade. I bought 6 put contracts at 52 cents. Let's see if the price of Apple can decline. So I have one contract left and I'm just about to get rid of it here. And I am all out for $112. So this was roughly a 4-minute trade here, and I'm up $112 in 4 minutes. So what a nice start to the trading day. If you enjoyed this live day trade, please consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you're brand new to the stock market, I have a free video lesson series called Trading Essentials. It's located in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.